Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space .. and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c : /bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.